Okay, so I wanted to make a video about how I set up prepping for our reading comprehension goals. So I created this list of second grade reading passages, and this will be for our group 1 boys. And basically what I'm doing is I'm compiling one document that you would be able to just click this first one and you can pull up the story. This second one you can pull up the comprehension questions, and this third one and you can pull up any corresponding activities. So, and then this is the answer key. So I'm using different websites, but one website that is free that you guys could use to help me is readworks.com. So you would have to make an account. It is free though. And so I created an account, and when you go up, you can click Find Content, and I click Reading Passages. And then if you scroll down over on the left-hand side, they ask you the grade level. So our group 1 boys, a majority of them are at the second grade reading level. So I'm going to click second grade. And from here, it pulls up second grade reading passages. So what I'm going to do is you click on the reading passage and you're going to click print. And I'm going to print the reading passage and the comprehension questions. And when you click print, it will load a page that has the reading passage. So the reading passage is on pages 1 to 2. If you guys want to make it one full document, you can do that too. I split it up into 2 different links to make it easier, but if you want to save time, you can put it on one document too. So pages 1 to 2 is the comprehension questions. So under print destination, I put save to my Google Drive. I'm going to put pages 1 to 2. And then under advanced settings is where I can label it. So I put 2 because it's the second grade reading comprehension level. And then I'll put the name of the story, which was Pictures of the Year. So Pictures of the Year. Alright, and then I'm going to save that, and now I have to go back into my Google Drive to pull that up. And it's going to be under my recent. And then when I open it over here, drag this over a little bit. Over here at these 3 dots, you click this, you click share, and you have to change it to anyone with the link. And then I'm going to copy the link, go back here. So this is very time consuming, so hopefully during our prep time, during centers, whoever isn't in a group would be able to start prepping some of this so that we can start having reading passages for their goals. So now I have the reading passage, so now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to print the comprehension questions, which is pages 3 to 4. So same thing, I'm going to print pages 3 to 4, and then here I'm going to put comprehension questions. And again, if you guys don't feel like you need the answer keys, you don't have to print the answer keys, but they're there. So I'm going to save that, go back into my drive. And then I'm going to highlight this. Oh, I'm sorry if I didn't explain this. So to make something clickable, you have to highlight it, and then you hit Control K, and then you're going to paste that link there. So I put Control V and apply, and now it's a clickable link that'll take you straight to the comprehension questions. And then I would go back in, and if you want to do the answer key, you go back to the story, hit print, and then just select the answer key to print the answer key. And then for here, I just label these so they don't get all disorganized in my Google Drive, but it's up to you guys how you want to do that. Back here, and here's the answer key. And there's one last thing that I want to show you. So this is how I upload I make all of our reading passages in one place. So we have all of our second grade reading passages on one page now. I also started doing this for a kindergarten file, and I'm going to need to do one for a first grade file. But for one of our students, their reading goal requires the 4 to 5 picture cards and putting them in order. So I created this. So this is for the story fire drill. So I uploaded the story, I had the comprehension questions, the answer key, but then I also created this fire drill picture cards. So when you open this link, this is what it looks like. I have the directions to let the parents know we are tracking their goals, so this is an item that should be completed independently. Here I put different boxes for them to drag and drop the pictures into the boxes. So I'll have to read the story and they'll have to say, okay, this happened first, so I'm going to drag and drop this into the story or into the boxes. I created a template for this. I'm going to have to find the template, but I created a template for this. Oh, here it is, drag and drop template, and I will link this onto that page. Because for this one student, we are going to need to make these for different stories. So let me add this template onto our list. So we'll do picture card event template. Now you guys will be able to click on that to be able to add those in for the different stories that we find for our second grade readers.